welcome to Best Car Fixes. Today we have a car here, and you see the terminals, it get rusty too much, and that can cause a startability problem and charging issue and cranking issue. So when you have these things happen, look at this side, there is a computer here. You can use a hot water to clean the terminals, and this corrosion can go away. Just when you put it in, you see, look like this. It can go away easy and go clean, you see. But this not enough. You have to use some brushes, to clean it good. This is your battery, so maintain the battery good. It's more important. You don't want this thing happen to you while you're in the highway, and no mechanic can come and help you. So you see now it's getting better. Take your time to clean it like this, but don't put water in other places, like if you have like here we have a computer, or generally don't wash the car with water. Now after this finish, you see it's a little bit better, right? Cooking, right? Barbecue, huh? Okay. After this happen, now we can take something dried out. How are you, sir?
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you? After this one, you're gonna clean it out. See, sometimes even this is enough, but if you do it early. If you have a radio like Honda, they have like a radio code, you're gonna lose the code. But other than that, everything look okay. Now we're gonna take this one out slowly. Okay, thank you. I have a good photograph of it. I'm gonna take the negative terminal and leave it here, and then I will take the positive one, move it left and right. This one here is stuck really good. Yes, you see. So I gotta get something to open it here. I will be back.
He's doing a YouTube video. He's doing a YouTube video. So we might go on YouTube because we watch it. What do you look at? See the pyramids. Me and Yahweh pyramid. And that's something.
You want me to just double bottom in my home? Take it down.
I'm seeing things with the boy with them. Sorry.
Maybe you have someone. Maybe you want to talk to Mahmoud inside there. Okay, let me try now. Listen. Yeah. See when this is go hard, you see.
Tireless.
Okay. It's holding it too much. It's holding too much. Yes, now we are out. Finally. You see how it is? So I'm gonna put more here to clean it. Then I will bring this one here. You know the what they call toothbrush? I never get this for a long time. That was this one to clean the inner side. Still inside there. This is better. Anytime you get a chance, 2-3 months, clean it.
Okay.
Or normally the mechanic will do the oil change for you. The mechanic will do the oil change. Your maintenance technician supposed to know this. How are you? You hiding your mom from us? Come on, it's ours. How are you? She visited. Thank you for visiting us here today. Anytime you pass here, this is your place. Come here, have a coffee, and I will take you back home.
Oh, okay. So that's my mom and that's my dad. Taking my dad to church today.
Thank you. Thank you. I was saying, who's this guy coming here?
That's my dad.
You are blessed. You have that mom next to you here in the morning. I will let you go right now. As quick as possible, okay?
Thank you.
I was driving. I said, no, I'm not going to leave someone stuck. And I go. That's my duty.
I appreciate you because I've been standing there for a while just trying to get someone.
If I knew I would come early.
But then I said to myself, you know what? I have, we have roadside, so I was just going to call them.
No, we're here.
But,
I was coming driving. I was trying to use my,
And I just stopped asking because everybody that I
No,
asked.
if you ask me, I will come.
Don't worry. I will keep
I
your
just parked.
card.
I said, no, I see somebody there. No. Actually, did I try to stop before I come to you? I was trying to use my Bluetooth. And I said, let me go. And then I drive. I see a
You
car
kind of
parked.
slowed down when you saw me, and then I asked you for help.
Yeah.
And you,
No, I look, I see a hood open. I said, no, something need help here. Either open the hood for. No, I will never let someone stuck. And I go, no, I will not do that. I will still ask. One day I have the same small booster, and the lady just in Nostrum at the school there. As soon as you put the booster, I shut off as told. So I give her the booster. I say, okay, put it on. You reach your place. This is my number. Call me. And she drove it to me back after 2 days. It's okay.
yes.
I'm lucky today to serve. I'm lucky today to serve a daughter, a father, and mother together here.
Right? An entire family.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I'm a Muslim, and my religion says no.
You must help. You
And,
must
that's
help.
really religious all over. You see
You
something,
must help.
you help.
It's not even so much a Muslim as a child of
Yeah,
God, children of God. We
Yeah.
have to learn to help each other.
Okay, now I see everything is good. I'm gonna plug it. If you need a charger, charge it. You must do it. If I don't take care of you, who gonna take care of us? This power, this
And
house,
tomorrow
this
is
house.
Mother's Day.
Wow.
So you know I'm running up and down so I could get tomorrow off.
Everything will be okay.
Thank you very much.
I tied it. We're gonna start it right now. Okay. This one out. The operation is done. We're gonna rehab now. You have the key by you?
Yes. My baby sound beautiful again.
Everything is good. Now let me put it back.
Thank you, Selena.